Auto.Protect is intelligent and automated cushioning using AI. It performs a task that can be tiring for packers while ensuring there is no downtime. Auto.Protect uses a vision system to detect the voids in the carton. It uses an AI-supported application to determine the correct packing scenario. This results in the exact amount of protective packaging required, such as air or paper padding. The padding is placed in the correct position in the box automatically until your goods are optimally protected. Auto.Protect can be used for top fill, bottom fill, or block and brace applications. The system collects data and puts it into statistics. It can be integrated into an existing software-controlled infrastructure. Auto.Protect is available both as a standard version and as a customized solution. Auto.Protect by Storopack.